Snow is falling outside my door. Lights are shining like years before. Everyone's talking about gifts and cheer, but I already have what I hold most dear. Stockings hanging by the fire, people wishing for heart's desire. They say love comes wrapped in gold, but mine is fur and never gets old. I don't need diamonds or shiny things, no fancy cars or golden rings. When the night gets cold and long, you're right here where you belong. I don't want Christmas gifts at all, no mistletoe, no grand ball. All I want when the snow falls down is my dog right here in town. Yeah, my dog by my side. That's my Christmas, that's my light. Morning comes with paw prints near, happy eyes and a wagon cheer. You don't care what's under the tree, you're already everything to me. They chase dreams in wrapping paper. I found mine a little safer, for warm paws and a loyal heart. We don't need a perfect start. I don't want Christmas gifts at all, no silver bells, no shopping mall. All I want when the bells all chime is my dog every single time. Yeah, my dog, hold me tight. That's my Christmas every night. Oh, when the world gets loud and bright, you're my calm, my silent night. Oh, every wish already done. You're my moon, my winter sun. I don't want Christmas gifts at all, no fancy lights or crystal